Welcome. Have you ever wondered what truly makes a great medical representative in India? Let me tell you, being an MR is so much more than just selling medicines. It's about building real relationships, earning trust, and making a difference in people's lives every single day. Think about it. When you walk into a clinic or hospital, you're not just there to talk about products. You're there to connect, to listen, and to understand what doctors and patients really need. You become a brand ambassador, yes, but also a trusted advisor and a bridge between science and real-world care. Ever had a doctor ask you about the latest research or a new treatment? That's your moment to shine, as a scientific educator, making complex information simple and useful. And let's not forget, every time you choose honesty over hype, you're a guardian of ethics and patient safety. That's a big responsibility, isn't it? Your real job? It's to build trust. When you share important medical updates or listen to a doctor's concerns, you're helping them make better decisions for their patients. It's never just about pushing products. It's about being there when it matters, offering real value. The best messes I know can take complicated clinical data and turn it into clear, practical advice. Imagine a doctor saying, "Thanks, that really helped me treat my patient better." That's impact. Every time you do this, you empower doctors to make the best choices for their patients. That's what sets you apart. What really makes a great MR? It's this knowledge-centric approach, always learning, always sharing, always caring. You also play a key role in gathering feedback. When a doctor tells you how a medicine is working or not working, you become the company's eyes and ears for patient safety. Every detail you share helps create a healthcare system that truly puts patients first. It's not always easy. Sometimes you'll feel the pressure to meet targets or balance business goals with what's right. But remember, your integrity is your greatest asset. Companies that put trust and transparency first are the ones that succeed in the long run, and you're a big part of that success. So, as you start your journey, see yourself as a leader in healthcare. Your actions shape public health, trust, and the reputation of the entire industry. Remember, every conversation, every choice, and every bit of knowledge you share leaves a mark. You're not just representing a company, you're building a legacy of trust and care. Welcome to the world of medical representatives, where your integrity, empathy, and dedication truly matter. Let's make a difference together. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is guided by regulations like the Uniform Code for Pharmaceutical Marketing Practices, or UCPMP. UCPMP emphasizes science and ethics over inducement, banning gifts and requiring truthful, evidence-based promotion. The Drugs and Magic Remedies Act prohibits misleading claims and miracle cures, demanding precise, approved language in marketing. Misses must stick to approved literature and avoid exaggerated promises. The National Medical Commission, NMC, rules also prohibit doctors from accepting gifts or benefits from pharma companies. This creates a clear boundary for ethical interactions. Understanding these rules protects both MRs and doctors, preserving trust in the doctor-patient relationship. Compliance is not just a rule, it's the foundation of ethical pharma marketing. Pharmacovigilance, monitoring drug safety after launch, is a core MR responsibility. Clinical trials can't reveal every side effect. Real-world use uncovers more. EMSAs are the vital link, hearing firsthand about unexpected drug reactions from doctors and chemists. Listening and encouraging honest feedback is crucial for post-marketing safety. All suspected adverse drug reactions, ADRs, mild or severe, must be reported. Every report adds to the global understanding of drug safety. By participating in pharmacovigilance, misses protect patients and uphold public health. This transforms the MR from a promoter to a protector. Your commitment to safety builds trust in your company and the industry. Patient safety is not just a duty, it's your professional legacy. Reporting an adverse drug reaction, ADR, is a vital MR skill. First, listen and acknowledge when a doctor reports a possible ADR. Pause promotion and thank them. Collect 4 key details: patient identifier, reporter's contact, suspect drug, and description of the reaction. Even if some details are missing, report as long as these basics are present. Report the ADR to your company's pharmacovigilance team within 24 hours. Speed is critical. Use your company's designated reporting system, whether phone, email, or app. After reporting, inform the doctor and explain that follow-up may occur. This closes the loop and shows the company values their input. Mastering this process makes you an active player in global drug safety. Every report you make helps protect patients everywhere. Misses often face ethical gray zones despite clear rules. For example, educational events are allowed, but lavish venues can cross ethical lines. Promotional items must be of minimal value and genuinely support medical practice. Focus on educational materials, not gifts. Pressure to meet targets can tempt MRs to exaggerate benefits or promote off-label uses, but this is strictly forbidden. The ethical MR always prioritizes patient welfare and long-term trust over short-term gains. Ask yourself, is this action truly for patient benefit, or is it an inducement? Saying no to unethical requests is a mark of professionalism. Foster a culture where ethics are lived, not just written. Technology is transforming pharmaceutical compliance and transparency. Digital platforms and CRM systems track every MR interaction, ensuring real-time adherence to codes like UCPMP. Interactive digital tools standardize scientific messaging and make ADR reporting faster and more accurate. Global trends demand greater transparency. India is moving in this direction. Companies using digital tools are better prepared for future regulations and build public trust. Embracing technology embeds ethics into daily operations. Transparency and compliance become the norm, not the exception. The future of pharma marketing is digital, ethical, and transparent. Imagine a doctor asks an MR to sponsor a clinic anniversary celebration. The ethical response is to suggest a patient education day or provide disease awareness materials, benefiting patients and staying compliant. This approach turns a compliance risk into a value-added activity. Remember, compliance, pharmacovigilance, and ethical judgment are your pillars. Non-compliance can destroy trust and put patients at risk. Ethical conduct builds lasting relationships and a strong reputation. As future leaders, you are stewards of public trust in healthcare. Lead with integrity, champion professionalism, and always put patients first. Build your career on ethics, accuracy, and safety. By doing so, you'll achieve success and contribute to a healthier future for all. The industry's future depends on your commitment to these values.